Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Saturday, September 20th. I want to look at Emerge Energy Services. This is an IBD 50 stock, and the reason I'm looking at it is because it's one of the only energy stocks that's really working. There are others, but guess what? This is the chart of the day, not the charts of the day. So I'm looking at this one. You can see the 50-day moving average has been pretty good support. Just look at the slope of it, though. It had been trading sideways here, then you get your breakout. By the way, heck of a nice move from below 50 bucks to 140 this year. If I'd known it was going to do that, I'd have put all my money in it. But you can see this, the 50-day moving average was in a pretty nice uptrend, and now it's just flattening out. This doesn't mean there's anything wrong with the stock. What it's doing is just simply reflecting this sideways consolidation. Okay, stock's been drifting sideways. It's had a couple little consolidation periods here. So I'm looking at this stock and I see a low risk buy. That's low risk. I'm not saying that the stock's going to 180 bucks. I'm saying that you're able to buy this stock close to a technical level that matters, which is the 50-day moving average. So you keep your stop just a little bit below these prior lows here, not necessarily the 50-day itself, but just below these prior lows, and you'd be risking less than 10% if you just held the stock until it was stopped out. But what you're doing is, I'm just doing this because I think it looks cool. What you're doing is you're buying the stock close to support, giving yourself a chance to make this money, and then if the stock doesn't, if it starts moving up, then you build a bigger position, and then once the stock starts to challenge this last high, you start watching it carefully. You set a stop on some of your position, or perhaps all of it, but typically some of your position, so that if the stock pulls back, you're taking some profits. If the stock continues to go, you've got a full position, and you're good to go. Anyway, that's it for this video. Members, over to the strategy session. I'm doing just a quick recap of all the sectors as well as several stocks that are working. I'll see you there.